Here's the translation. Introduce yourself and your role and explain how your work helps clients.
Okay, I'm product manager of heat pump product. So my daily job include product analyze, market research, and mostly sometimes I will develop product according to customers' requirement, and I will also analyze the requirement is correct and good for the market, based on the requirement from our customer. Design how the product to be made and fix up the specification of the product and how should we develop this product and what is the important point we should pay attention to our products.
How did you get into the heat pump industry?
Well, it's a long history. Actually, at the beginning, I was working in HVAC division. So the product I focus is any kind of air conditioning or heating and ventilation products like the residential air conditioner or VRF for commercial buildings. And in the recently several years, so people are more and more focused on environment friendly. And in general, heat pump is main important products to handle daily heating requirements. Is the most important heating device, heating products for European market. So I start to pay more attention to heat pump products, and step by step, I now work 100% in heat pump products.
The top issues that overseas clients care about most.
Typically, we will tell the customer about our factory. We will arrange a factory visit to see our production line, and he will see how we produce the product, what are the procedure we do in during the assembly or during the product manufacturing, and he will see what is the key quality control during the production. And also we will show our customer about our laboratory, because the laboratory is quite important during product R&D and also quality control. We have more than 100 test labs for performance test, noise test, quality check, safety test, all kind of tests. We have the capability, and our lab are also certified by some official institute. So this is how we can prove Anytime is a reliable partner for them.